This is a Packet Tracer EIGRP troubleshooting lab. In this lab, we've been told that router 1 on the left is not able to ping router 4 on the right. So here's router 1, ping 10132. We can see that pings to router 4 are timing out. Ping the loopback, pings are timing out. So it looks like the information that we've been given is correct. Router 1 is not able to ping router 4. You need to fix this network and try and do that without using show run. So try and not use the show running or show startup config commands. Try and use other commands such as show IP route, show IP protocols, or other show commands to try and find out where the problem is, and then fix the network and use show commands and other commands to prove that the network is working. So as an example, the show IP protocols command shows us that we're running a routing protocol, in this case EIGRP, in Autonomous System 100 on router 1. It's routing for these networks. It's got a gateway 10112, which is router 2. Show IP route shows us some information. We've learnt some routes as an example through EIGRP. So use show commands and other commands such as debugs to try and find out where the problem is and then fix the network. Once you've fixed the network, verify connectivity. In other words, make sure that router 1 can ping router 4 and router 4 can ping router 1. Download the Packet Tracer file and see if you can complete the lab yourself. Otherwise, watch the next video where I troubleshoot this network and resolve the issues.